Hello guys. So today I am in Alta in Norway. It's very cold here, and yeah, we will start this one more episode of this series in Alta. So I will go outside. The weather is not nice, but there is something really different here. It's like it's around 1:30 and it's very dark, and 2 o'clock it's already sunset here. So yeah, 2 in the afternoon it's already sunset, and I think around 4 you can see there already the lights are on, and around 4 it will be completely dark. Last night it was like last evening, you can say, like 4 o'clock it was completely dark. So let's see, the days are getting very shallow. So the sunrise was around 8 in the morning, and then the sunset is already 2 or 2:30. So yeah, the days are getting very ending up very fast. So we will go, and then I want to click this church and some nice picture. So guys, I'm in the city of Alta right now, and I have my friend who is supporting me and traveling with me, Betty.
Hi.
So we are here, and it's like, I don't know how to say you, but like there is snow, but snow is already like it's not nice because we are like it's very slippery here. So I have to take care of my camera because it's I'm very scared of this today. So I will try my best if the camera is secure first. And you can see look, this is like pile of snow here. So it's crazy, and we are going to the church. This church is very famous. They call it like Northern Light Church in Alta. And Alta is very small. There's not much things to do, but it's very famous for Northern Lights. So that's why there is a church called Northern Light Church. So I want to see that, and I want to click one picture of that. So guys, this is the time for our first picture. So I want to click this picture of this church. And I will try to click one more vertical, okay? Just wait a moment. If there are like elements like humans, I wait, and then I can get without them. Because of the sunset, I told you already, but it's not even 2 o'clock right now, and it's already getting sunset, like, and people are, it's very slippery in the same time. But we got two pictures. I want to go inside the church, and I want to see how it looks like. I think this is the hologram and everything about like how it works with the northern light. Yeah. Okay, so it's like from the sun, and it's not working. On the journey, you can see here also. So from the sun on the journey to the earth, touch screen. The particle that particle creates nighttime northern lights. Here you see the northern light making. There is a movie about northern light, and I will watch the movie now. So guys, we were inside this Northern Light Church, and it was very nice. If you want to come here, the fee you have to pay is 100 Norwegian krones, and yeah, you can go inside. There are movie. You can watch the Northern Light movies, and then you can also roam around, and then you can go inside the church and see the architecture inside, and it's very nice. This is the church. The weather is very bluish and the lights are getting away very fast now. I think in 1 hour it will be very dark here, and yeah, that's why people come here actually, because already 4 or 4:30 or 5 maximum it already get dark, and then you can see the northern lights, and that's the purpose of this month. Like it's snow, it's very warm, it's very cold actually most of the time in this time of year, but it's a perfect time to watch northern light. Today is not nice because of the 100% cloud coverage, and we have so much snow. This is my second time experiencing snow in Norway, so it's nice. It's cold but it's nice. So let's see. Yeah, there's not much to see actually. This city is famous for northern light because of it's a very northern part of Norway. That's why people come here. There are so many hotels for people to stay for northern light, and so much. Oh, this is not a right place I'm going. Yeah, we have to hold hands so we can support each other. I'm not used to this snow thing. So it's getting dark, and I really want to make a portrait of Betty here, like really with the snow and with the place. I already had the last time some pictures here, and it's completely different than what I saw 3 weeks before, the same place. So Betty, are you ready? Woo-hoo! So you can be in middle of the road. Yeah. Can you be? Yeah. So let's try. Oh, eyes closed. Can you make your? No. This is like this. Straight eyes. Oh, eyes closed. Can you make your? No. This is like this. Straight eyes straight.
Oh, it's so windy. I cannot keep my eyes open.
I will make it a bit lighter. We can walk a bit more forward with Betty and I, and then we will see some pictures. I think with oranges, this like, what do you call it? Like when this is the trees have like these leaves.
It's autumn
Autumn time.
Now it's winter time.
Yeah, so autumn time, it's a really beautiful place. So I already shot some pictures, and it was one of the best. I loved it, and now let's see. Like it's very snowy. It feels like jingle bell, jingle bell. So guys, I think I found one more frame. It looks very nice because a bit light. We have light, and we have. I don't know how to explain it, but I think it's a really nice frame. And one I want to make vertical now. This feels so nice to me. Like this frame is very beautiful. I love it. And Betty, I think I will take I want to make one picture of Betty here because the background is very nice and Betty is ready. So we will make one more frame. Can you go a bit back more, Betty? The road is going like this, and I want to make a portrait. Oh, you get a lot of yellowness. And one more, like only your face with this. So we saw one bench completely surrounded with the snow, and I want Betty to have a portrait here also. Do it for the team.
Is it here?
Of course, up. Yeah, you can do that if you don't fall. Even if you fall, it's fine. I will get a nice video if she fall. I will click one more picture of her. So I will go back. And then one vertical, and then we will see which one is better. Yeah, it's okay. I like it. I like the picture. So since we already have sunset and it's around, let me see, it's around 2:38 in the afternoon. I want to click a night picture in the 2:30 in the afternoon, you know. This is such a nice feeling. I love it. I really love it with the snow, and it's very dreamy for me somehow. Okay. So guys, it's getting very cold and very dark. I made some photos with Betty. Thank you, Betty. And there's not much to explore. We are exploring, but it's same everywhere. So we can't make it. But oh no, this Betty is playing with the eye. But I want to make a nice what do you call it, snowman with Betty. So we will make a snowman and then we will finish. So please let me know how you feel about this video. And now we are going to make a snowman. Are you ready, Betty?
Yay!
So let's make a snowman. That's why they never make hands with the snow. I have something. I know it's not this snowman for me, but it's the first time I made something. He have one hand, and now it's done.
Don't.
See you guys, enjoy, have fun, and keep traveling, you know. We will see us very soon in the next videos. This is my last time in Alta. We are moving from here. We are going soon to Canary Islands and then Caribbean for this year. I'm so happy. I'm really looking forward. But keep smiling. And it was a real snowman. I enjoyed it. See you.